Okay, something arrived here today, and it's this big, it's that long, it's that high, and it's this wide, and it's kind of narrow at the top. It's got that shape on the end, to see that. I was wondering what you think it is. Anybody have an idea what that would be? Any idea at all what that is? Okay. So no marks on it other than that. It had a label on it. But that's the only thing that was on there. Now, we have a method. Got this little guy right here. Okay. Let's see what's in this. What do you think's in it? Before I move ahead with opening it, what do you think is in this? Is there any guesses? Maybe I should just take this video today and leave you guessing for a couple of weeks. What do you think? What do you think's in that? It's about 20 pounds, give or take. No ideas? Okay. All right. I'll let you off the hook here. Let's open this gently and see if we can figure out what this is. Like that. Let's see what we have in here. No guesses so far, eh? Oh, you had it. One guy there, you had it right. Or maybe. Wait, now, what was it? No. No, that's not right. All right, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Uh-oh. Ah. Egg curtain. I don't know. That's not it, though. No, it's not eggs. I don't think so. Let's see here. Okay. There's egg cartons. Any guesses, people, from what you can see right there? No guesses, eh? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so the mystery continues. Underneath all that cardboard and tape and everything, there's this thing sitting here under a black garbage bag. And it's about that wide, and it's about that high, and it's about that long. What do you think it is? What could that be? It is. Anybody know what that is? It's an old Atwood Everest Star RV furnace. Actually, it came with the grill. Grill needs a little paint, and this is. It's got the gas valve. It's the electronic ignition model. It's got the board in here. It's got the on-off switch, and from all accounts, it works. We'll do a test of this soon. There you go. Points to the guys and girls that guessed what it was in the cardboard, and to those that knew what it was under the mystery bag. Look at that. See? Okay. There's one less mystery in the world as of right now. Hope you enjoyed that. Tune in for more fun later. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, make a comment, and we will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.